Hello students, in this part we will discuss about the excretory system and male reproductive system. As we know that both are the different system, excretory system and male, both are the tooth systems and in frogs. But in male frog, excretion and release of sperms can take place by the common pathway. So we define excretory system and male reproductive system in male frog just commonly or combined. As we know that male reproductive system. In male frog, a pair of testes present just above the kidney. A pair of testes present just above the kidney with internally attached suppose these are the kidney like structures. These are the kidneys in frog. Whether the frog is male or female, similar kidney structure present. And just above the kidney, there are many fat bodies which store the fat. These are the fat body. These are kidneys. As we have discussed, a pair of testes present each just above the kidney, each side of kidney, and they are internally attached with the mesorchium. Means किडनी जो टेस्टिस होते हैं, इसके ऊपर ओवल शेप में किडनी टेस्टिस प्रेजेंट है जस्ट अबव द किडनी, कुछ इस वे से. दीज आर द टेस्टिस. Testes are attached with the kidney with the internally, that is called mesorchium, or you can say that mesorchium. Is the internally attached. There are 10 to 12. You know that there are 10 to 12 vas efferentia also attached with the testes to kidney. These are the vas efferentia. Mesorchium which attach the kidney to the testes, and 10 to 12 vas efferentia which arises from the testes. और इससे 10 से 12 जो होती हैं vas efferentia arises होती है टेस्टिस से, जिसमें से स्पर्म मूव आउट होते हैं. और मूव आउट होने के पश्चात जैसे ही वो टेस्ट किडनी में पहुंचते हैं तो किडनी के अंदर स्पेशल वाइडर कैनल होती है. This wider canal play very crucial role, important role while passing the sperms, and one canal towards the other side which through the urine are secreted by the kidney. यानी एक तो कहां से जो स्पर्म से स्पर्म जिसमें आते हैं वेस एफेरेंसिया से आने वाले स्पर्म जो होते हैं किडनी के अंदर एक कैनल बनाते हैं एक साइड में जिधर से टेस्टिस अरेंज था. दैट इज कॉल्ड बीडर कैनल, बीडर्स कैनल, जिनमें स्पर्म मूव आउट करते हैं. और दूसरी जो किडनी से यूरिन फिल्टर हुआ, वो किडनी से यूरिन फिल्ट्रेशन जो कैनल बनती है, यहां इसमें यूरिन आ जाते हैं, यूरिन आ जाता है. यूरिनरी ट्यूब इज इंटरनली अटैच्ड विद द बीडर कैनल. इट मीन्स urine or sperm both are mixed in this area. This is the यूरिनिफाई, यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूबल्स भी कह सकते हैं, यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूबल्स, सेम स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट इन दिस किडनी आल्सो, as they are commonly attached with each other. Just below the kidney, they pass out in a common duct. Through the sperm as well as urine can excrete. This common duct is known as urinogenital duct. It means this duct contains urine as well as the male sperm. एंड वेस एफेरिन से कहां आगे खुलती है? किडनी के अंदर वाइडर कैनाल, जिसको बिडर कैनाल्स के नाम से जानते हैं, इसमें स्पर्म आते हैं, स्पर्म रहते हैं। दूसरी तरफ से किडनी में जो किडनी से यूरिन फिल्टर हुआ वो ट्यूब्स राइज होती हैं। तो यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूबल्स एज वेल एज बिडर कैनाल्स आर इंटरनली अटैच्ड विद ईच अदर। दे मेक द कॉमन पाथवे जस्ट टुवर्ड द लोअर साइड इन द किडनी, एंड दिस urinogenital or genital, one more tube is also coming from the this side, and they opens into a wider part of large intestine. The wider part of large intestine is rectum. As we have already discussed, rectum help in 3 types of system. Digestive, रेक्टम काम करता है क्योंकि वेस्ट फूड वहां स्टोर होता है। रिस्पिरेटरी, सॉरी एक्सक्रीटरी में क्या करता है? ये यूरिन के साथ साथ जो पाथवे हैं, जेनेटल पाथवे, जेनेटल जर्म्स का, तो स्पर्म का, उनको पास आउट करता है। दिस इज द रेक्टम। बोथ द कॉमन डक्ट और यू कैन से दैट urinogenital duct opens near to each other, and there is a flap like structure also present near it. both the, जहां पर आकर यूरिनोजेनिटल डक्ट खुलती है रेक्टम के अंदर, दोनों क्लोजली पैक्ड होती हैं, यानी दोनों क्लोजली आके खुलती हैं, और उसके जस्ट साइड में ही फ्लैप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं? यूरिनरी ब्लैडर। We have made only one side urinary bladder. There are both 2 types fan like structure present, which is known as urinary bladder. The urine stay here in urinary bladders, and germs means sperms are ejaculate through the opening cloaca. Through cloaca. Cloaca help to excrete urine as well as sperm. So excretory system as well as male genital system can take place in frog. As we know that frogs are ureotelic organism. frogs जो होते हैं यूरियोटेलिक ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं। क्यों? बिकॉज द अडल्ट frogs secrete urea. The organism which secrete urea, that those are called a ureotelic organism, and process is known as ureotelism. Adult frogs secrete urea, but as we know that tadpole or larvae stage, they live in water, और वाटर के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं, so they secrete ammonia as a waste substance. Tadpoles are known as ammonotelic, whereas the adult frog is known as ureotelic. But we can say that frogs are ureotelic organism because they secrete urea as a waste substance in urine. Same conditions can be take place in the rectum, because we have already discussed rectum helps in digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive system. We have already discussed digestive system. In this excretory system, urine as well as male or female genital parts, or male or female germ cells are also secreted through this cloaca. Clear? This is the male genital part, male genital or reproductive system as well as excretory system.